Guys, it's an all-day rain event, I will say that, but there will be dry breaks.
Taking a look at satellite and radar this morning, we've got lots of rain around right now. Most of the more moderate to heavy rain is actually over Lake Erie, and this is actually lead-in showers to the actual cold front we will get later on this evening. But you see that there are some breaks in here between now and then. So morning showers, some afternoon breaks. That doesn't mean we'll be totally dry this afternoon, but it will be drier. And then we'll get these evening showers. You could even hear a rumble of thunder, especially south and east. I'm not expecting strong storms out of this, but you can see that there are a few lightning strikes in southern Michigan that have now died down, actually. So as we take a look at our forecast for today, it's going to be cooler by about 10 to 15 degrees. Low 70s for our highs. Of course, we're going to be rain cooled. It's a lot cloudier, and we have a cold front coming in. As far as coverage of rain showers, as I said, around the lunch hour, it'll start to drop and then it'll pick back up. So more widespread rain around the time you're heading home from work, cooking dinner, getting ready to head to bed. Things will start to quiet down. Let's just go ahead and watch it hour by hour here on Futurecast. You can see that those broken pockets of rain pick up around the evening hours, and then around midnight or so, that's when things really start to quiet down. But notice the wind shift, how around 7, 8 o'clock our winds are coming out of the north pretty directly. That's going to be funneling that cooler air into our viewing area, setting us up for 60s for much of the remainder of the 8-day forecast. You can also see here why those southeastern communities are more likely to see those rumbles of thunder, where those pockets of heavier rain show up. So how much rain are we talking? If you've been outside this morning, you've noticed that the majority of the rain coming down is pretty light, which is good news for that morning commute. I would say anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch, and then further south, higher totals, that 1/2 an inch to an inch more likely, because that's where the more moderate to heavy rain will show up. So this is on top of what we've already got on the ground, right? And the hope is that it gets rid of some of this drought that we've been experiencing. We're running anywhere from abnormally dry to severe drought, and then further west, we've even got extreme drought conditions. So a new one of these drought monitors will come out on Thursday, so we'll get an update then. It's the only chance really of significant rain in the 8-day forecast. Now I want to talk these temperatures as well. See how once that cold front clears through, temperatures start to drop, the winds come out of the north,